Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Let's just get into it. We have some stuff to fix. Let's make it so that I'm not sure if I can show you. These two guys come closer. See, they can now hit each other. We want that functionality to be possible, but we don't want friendly NPCs to actually do that. So NPC details. I believe this has the faction enemy. So in the NPC component, right? Let's see if we did. NPC details. So apply damage. Damaged actor, get component by class. Or actually, we already do this somewhere. Find reference by name. Weapon hit server. Resolve send damage we have here. So if it's the NPC manager, we're gonna get NPC details, break. If the faction, we're gonna get our own NPC details, break. If the faction is the same, we're not gonna do anything. In that case, it's false. So let's take collapse the function, check same faction is same faction is gonna be the output. C component to check, and let's make it a pure function. There we go. Now they should not be able to hurt each other. Yeah, you can see he hit there without actually applying damage, so that works. Can still damage him, they can still damage us. Coolio. Great. All right. Let's add a health bar for our player, maybe. We don't have a HUD at the moment, so let's add that. New folder. Widgets. Player HUD. Let's just call it HUD. User interface, widget blueprint, user widget, BPW HUD, BPW, BP widget blueprint, I believe. We're gonna add a canvas panel. We have the overhead health bar, which has this timeline thing. I'm just gonna copy this overhead health bar. We actually don't have the combat text anymore. Haven't implemented that yet. Do we even have the hit sledge? Did I forget a lot of stuff? No, we don't. Alright, but we already started with the HUD, so let's do that. I copy the health bar. We're gonna do EBP HUD health bar. What? Where is it? Ah. It's not visible, I assume. It's because of the animation. Well, we don't need an animation for this one. It's just always gonna be visible. So we can delete this. We can delete this. And delete this. Delete this. We only need the actual hot stuff. Is it still invisible? Ah, it's because of the opacity. So the base here and the opacity. And it can look the same for now. HUD. Gonna add the HUD health bar down here. Anchor it to the bottom left. Actually, it should be anchored to the top left. I believe. Because if we anchor everything to the top left, if like changing the window size won't mess up the widgets. And in our character manager, we will do a custom event. Nope, a function. Set up main HUD. Create widget main HUD. We don't need to soft reference this. It's always going to be loaded into memory. It's probably never a case where we don't have the HUD. Promote the variable. I just want to check the size map. It does load in the HUD into memory, so they are now connected, which is maybe not 100% ideal. But yeah, it's fine. So this might as well be a hard reference to the actual HUD. Add to viewports. And we're going to do is locally get owner. We have set up owning character, so we already have this owning character. So we're gonna get owning character is locally controlled. So if, because we only want to do this on the actual locally controlled player, right? Because since this is triggered from the gameplay, if we did do this from without this locally controlled checked, it would trigger on all the clients. So let's now see, and we do have a health bar, and you can see even if this window is now scaled, it stays in the correct place. So that's good. Okay. So we now have take damage. And this is a server event, right? Because this is only being sent over the server. So we need a custom event, update HUD health client, because the damage is being sent over the server, right? So we need to pass it back to the client to update the HUD, because it's only going to be the client that get hit is the only one that's actually going to see the change on their own HUD. For now, we will probably later add, like if you have more players, you will see the rest of the HP to the left, but this is how we will do it now. And wait, it's in the wrong component. It should be in the character one. Take damage. Client update HUD health. I just need to look how I did this in the MCC. Take damage. Update percent front, is that the only thing needed? That automatically updates the back bar as well. So, in our HUD, we're gonna have a function called update health bar. Call it new percent. No, we already have this here. It's gonna be in here, in the actual HUD. Here. Make a function called update health bar. We're gonna input a float. We're gonna grab the health bar variable here. Update percent front, because we already have that. And then we're gonna go into our character. Here we have the HUD reference. Update percent front. And on take damage. Server client update HUD health. Gonna get the current health divided by the max health that we don't have. Character details, so our character does not have a health variable. So we're just gonna make one. Default it to 100. That's defaulted to 100, so we can now get our max health. So current health divided by max health is the new percentage, and let's see if that works. It does not work. Let's see if it's the call that does not work. Ah, yeah. This needs to be the file update health bar. And this should call the update percent front. There we go. And we're dead. Alright, that works. Perfect. That's gonna be it for this one. We now have a health bar. We will be working more with the HUD in the future. That's it for now. I will see you in the next one. Bye.